are many questions, especially about using baking soda to improve kidney function and lower creatinine. How can baking soda help lower creatinine? What is the right dosage? Are there any natural ways to heal the kidneys? These are important questions, and today I am here to give you clear, insightful, and easy to understand answers. According to the National Kidney Foundation, over 100 participants with elevated creatinine levels tried simple home remedies, including baking soda, for just 30 days. The results were astounding. More than 70% saw a significant drop in their creatinine levels, leading to better kidney function. Backed by science, this method could be a game changer for you too. In this video, we'll explore how a common product you probably already have in your kitchen, baking soda, can be a powerful tool in helping to lower creatinine levels. Imagine being able to naturally support your kidney health without relying solely on medication. By incorporating these easy, effective home remedies, you'll learn how to potentially reduce creatinine levels and boost your overall well-being. These tips can be a game changer for anyone looking to take control of their health. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have valuable insights into how to protect your kidneys and improve your health with natural remedies. Let's start with our first question: can kidney damage be repaired? A lot of people wonder, can kidney damage be repaired? It's a great question, but the answer isn't exactly simple. Some types of damage can heal, while others can't, and it really depends on what part of the kidney is affected, what caused the damage in the first place, and whether the cause is still present. In today's video, I'm here to give you simple answers to tough questions, so let's dive in and break it down. To understand this, we need to take a closer look at how your kidneys actually work. Think of your kidneys as tiny collections of blood vessels connected to filters. Each kidney has about 1 million of them, called nephrons. But don't worry, this isn't going to turn into a biology class. These filters play a critical role. They don't just filter your blood, they decide which chemicals stay in your body and which ones get flushed out. Each nephron has a tube attached to it, and this is where the real work happens. The tube is responsible for deciding which substances get returned to your body and which ones leave as waste. It's a delicate and complex process that happens millions of times a day. Now, here's the catch: the cells in those tubes live right on the edge of what's safe. They get just enough oxygen and nutrients to survive. Anything that disrupts their blood flow, even for a short time, can injure them. These tubule cells are the first to suffer when something goes wrong, like when we overload our bodies with toxins, medications, or sugar. If they're injured, they might stop working for a while. Swollen cells can block the tubes, and when that happens, the kidney can't filter properly. This is essentially what kidney failure is: the inability to filter blood. If enough filters stop working, your body can't keep up with its needs. That's why kidney disease is broken down into 5 stages. As more filters fail, the disease progresses. Imagine tying a string around your finger. If you do it for a few seconds, no harm done. But if you leave it for hours, your finger might die. Now imagine the string is only there for 20 minutes or an hour. There would be redness and swelling, but your finger would recover in time. It's the same with your kidneys. If blood flow is blocked for too long, there can be lasting damage. But if it's caught early enough, the kidneys might recover, at least partially. This is why recovery from kidney damage is unpredictable. It depends on how long the injury lasts and how much of the kidney is affected. Generally, if kidney function doesn't improve within 3 months, we call it chronic kidney disease, CKD. But even then, not all is lost. The thing is, Not every filter in the kidney is affected equally, and you only need about half of them to keep functioning normally. Some filters will never recover, but others might. It's a delicate balance of damage and healing, and how well you recover depends on which parts of the kidney are affected and how the disease progresses. So, can kidney damage be repaired? As we've seen, it's possible. Some damage can be fixed, but not all. This is why it's so important to start treatment as soon as possible. The earlier we intervene, the better the outcome. Now, you might be asking, how can I improve my kidney function and avoid dialysis? The good news is, there are steps you can take, even if you're in the later stages of CKD. In fact, many people with advanced kidney disease still enjoy a good quality of life. The two main causes of CKD in the US are diabetes and high blood pressure. Managing these conditions, or preventing them altogether, is crucial to protecting your kidneys. The key is early detection and taking action before more damage is done. Even if you're diagnosed at a later stage, there's hope. With the right care, you can slow the progression of the disease and protect your kidney function for years to come. How to improve kidney function with diabetes? What can you do to prolong kidney function if you have diabetes? The first and most important step is keeping your blood sugar in a healthy range. Your doctor will likely prescribe medications to help with this, and it's really important to follow their instructions closely. Typically, your treatment plan might include medications like ACE inhibitors or ARBs, which are often used to manage high blood pressure. Interestingly, studies have found that these medications can help protect the kidneys in people with diabetes, even if your blood pressure is already normal. Along with taking your medications, you'll want to keep your hemoglobin A1C below 6.5%, and be sure to have your kidney function tested at least once a year to monitor how things are going. This is the general approach, but remember, every patient is different. Always follow your doctor's guidance based on your specific situation. High blood pressure and kidney function. If you have high blood pressure, it's crucial to keep it under control. Aim for 125/75 or lower if you have kidney problems but aren't diabetic, or 130/85 or lower if you do have diabetes. The reason I'm telling you this is simple: no home remedy will work if your diabetes and high blood pressure aren't managed. These two conditions will continue to damage your kidneys around the clock unless they're addressed first. Beyond managing blood pressure and blood sugar, taking control of your health starts with a healthy diet, proper nutrition, losing excess weight, and regular exercise. These are steps that are fully within your control and can make a big difference. In fact, many people with type 2 diabetes can even prevent it by adopting these habits. If you have high blood pressure, cutting back on sodium is also key. Plus, limiting protein and phosphorus in your diet may help slow down the progression of kidney disease. There's ongoing research into other foods and supplements that could help delay kidney failure. For instance, fish oil shows promise, especially for people with IgA nephropathy, a specific kidney disease. It might be beneficial for others with kidney disease, too. Additionally, antioxidants and anti-inflammatory foods or vitamins may provide significant benefits. Now, let's talk about something you've probably heard about: baking soda. Can it really help lower creatinine levels? This is a common question, and while the answer isn't straightforward for everyone, I can share what we know. Baking soda can be helpful for some people with kidney disease, but it's not a magic fix for everyone. There's a specific way to use it, and studies have shown that sodium bicarbonate, baking soda, can improve kidney function in people with metabolic acidosis. So, what exactly is metabolic acidosis, and why does it matter? It's not the same as heartburn or acid reflux. Instead, it's when your blood becomes too acidic, a condition often linked to chronic kidney disease because damaged kidneys can't remove acid properly. When this happens, your body's acid-alkaline balance is thrown off, which can speed up the progression of CKD. It can even increase protein in the urine, signaling more damage to the kidneys. Symptoms of metabolic acidosis can include long, deep breaths, a fast heartbeat, confusion or headaches, weakness, extreme fatigue, nausea, and loss of appetite. But not everyone will show symptoms. The real danger is that if acidity continues to build up, it causes further kidney damage. Essentially, it becomes a vicious cycle. Kidney disease leads to metabolic acidosis, which in turn worsens the kidney disease. Treating this condition is crucial because if left untreated, it can also lead to bone loss, hormone imbalances, and muscle wasting. This is where baking soda comes in. It's an alkaline substance, so it helps neutralize the excess acid that's causing all these problems in the first place. But here's the catch: you should never start taking baking soda without talking to your doctor. While it can be an effective home remedy, it can also cause side effects like nausea and bloating, and it contains sodium, which can raise blood pressure. So it's important to only use it if you truly need it, and not everyone will benefit from it in the same way. Even though metabolic acidosis is common in people with CKD, not everyone experiences it, so always check with your doctor before trying anything new. So, what should you do? Should you take baking soda or avoid it? The answer is actually pretty simple. You need to find out if your body needs it first. There's a test called the CO2 blood test, or bicarbonate test, that kidney patients should have regularly, though it's often overlooked. So, it's a good idea to ask your doctor about it and make sure you're being tested. I'm stressing this because keeping metabolic acidosis under control is one of the best things you can do to support your kidney health and lower creatinine levels. The reason baking soda is thought to help with kidney disease is that it can help manage metabolic acidosis, but only if that's the issue. The first thing you need to do is get tested. Baking soda won't help unless you actually have metabolic acidosis. To find out, the CO2 test is your key. This test is often included in the Basic Metabolic Panel, BMP, so there's a chance you've already had it done. The normal range for CO2 in your blood is between 23 and 29 milliequivalent/L. If your levels are 22 or lower, it's a sign you might need to take action. Let's say your test shows you need baking soda. How do you take it, and what's the right dose? Baking soda can be taken orally or sublingually. Most kidney experts suggest starting with small doses, about half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon a day. Your doctor will adjust this based on your blood work. Some people take it in tablet form. Each tablet typically contains 650 milligrams. You can find these at the pharmacy, but regular baking soda from the grocery store works too. It's cheaper, though the taste can be a bit harsh. Sodium bicarbonate should be taken between meals, on an empty stomach, to avoid bloating. And again, always talk to your doctor before starting any new treatment. After you begin, you'll want to schedule another CO2 test along with your routine kidney analysis to see if your levels improve, and your doctor can adjust your dosage as needed. So, can baking soda help you avoid dialysis? The short answer is that it can help slow the progression of chronic kidney disease, and it may even benefit your heart, your endocrine system, and your muscles and bones. But it's important to remember that you should never take baking soda or any supplement without your doctor's recommendation. Thank you for watching our video on using baking soda to lower creatinine levels and improve kidney function. We hope you found these home remedies helpful. If you have any personal experiences or tips to share about managing kidney health, we'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and join the conversation with others who are also navigating kidney issues. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful content. Take care and see you next time.